Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be vlogging. I really haven't vlogged that much since we moved into the new house just because it has been so incredibly hectic. We're doing some remodels. We painted the entire house. When we moved in, the house was literally like a box of crayons. Every single room was a completely different color. So now it is all pretty much this Repose Gray by Sherwin-Williams. So anyway, it is Sunday. We went to church this morning. The boys just went to Lowe's. We've been going back and forth to Lowe's like crazy. But I think today I'm just gonna kind of show you guys around just a little bit, see the updates we've done. I'm not gonna show you everything because there's still a lot of things that I want to do. I wanna show you my dressing room. It is not finished at all. I haven't even started it, but I kind of wanted you to see the area. It's very, very similar to Elise Millen's dressing room, like the way the ceilings are kind of pitched a little bit. I didn't do that on purpose. It just kind of worked out that that was my space. But let me just show you a few furniture pieces that I got recently. Everything is from WAYFAIR. I've been loving WAYFAIR. I'll link everything down below because it is all still available, I think. It literally just arrived a few days ago. But let me start with the foyer. All right, so here is the foyer table, and I did show this on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, you totally should. I shared this there, and I definitely think that I need to put like a basket or something. Oh, hey, the kids are here. Hey, Lovey. And there they go. Did you find what you were looking for?
I did.
What did you find?
I found 4-stroke motor oil.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to the table. I do want to put like a basket or something there to hide that outlet and that cord. It doesn't look good at all. But this table is like such the perfect size because it's a little bit skinny. I love the wood color. It's just so beautiful. And then some of these things, I think I just got them from TJ Maxx. So unfortunately I can't link those. The table is still available. I think it was like $200. I think it was really well priced and it might be on sale right now. But this is like a little lantern. It just kind of is going with my overall color scheme of like whites and neutrals. And then I do want to get like a big window mirror right here, like with the panes, kind of similar to our huge window right there. Very similar to that actually is what I want to put right there for the foyer entrance. And then this is our really pretty fireplace. I really, really love the coloring of the stone and just the shapes of the stone. But I kind of decorated up there with some floral pieces. And then I picked up this mirror. It's also from WAYFAIR, so I can link it. Here's Josh right now. I don't know what he's doing, but can you... You're OCDing?
Yes.
Can you pick that mirror up? Okay, I want to see if it's gonna look okay up there. It might not. This could totally be a fail. It might be a fail. It might be too. Do you see our cool light up there though? Ooh, look at our chandelier. I'll show it to you in a second. So let's just move these things over just a little bit. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is that cool? I don't know if I like that. I'm not thinking I do. But I did get a couple other mirrors like this and I'm actually gonna put them in our bedroom. But I thought I would try this out. I don't know if I like it. Comment down below if you think this is good or if I should do something totally different. This is the couch we picked out for the living room. It's like a Chesterfield couch. It was really good priced. I really like the color. I think it looks so nice against this gray and like white shade of the room. Look how pretty this end table is. I think it's gorgeous. I love the wood. It just feels really nice. It's not rough. It's just a beautiful, beautiful color. I definitely think I want to get another one for over there. I wasn't sure how big this was going to be, even though obviously the website had measurements, but it was just really hard for me to tell. So I love it so much. I definitely think I need one over there, but I need a better lamp. I need better decor. I need something on the wall right here. And then here is the TV stand that we got for our TV. It's barn doors, so you literally just can like open and close it. I need to put some decorations in there to make it a little bit prettier. And then I do want to get a different plant. This was actually the plant that's kind of more in my filming area at the old house. So I don't really like the leaves on this. I mean, it's okay. It's just not exactly the plant that I was kind of going for. And then here is a chair that my mother-in-law actually got for us as kind of like a housewarming present. It's also from WAYFAIR because she knows how much I love it. It's really, really soft and it has, you know, really nice like studded details to it. I have no idea how much it costs, but I'll try to link it as well. I might actually put it up in my dressing room or I'll leave it here. Not really sure yet. And then this great big window up here is like one of my favorite pieces of the house. I just love the view. It's beautiful when the sun sets. It's just beautiful. There's like blue skies right now. I just love it. Even when it rains and there's like a storm outside, it's really nice to look outside and see that. And then up there is the chandelier that we picked. It actually looks really small up there, but in real life, it's a little bit bigger. It's not from WAYFAIR. I kind of forget where it is from, but I can also try and find it. I think it's such like a modern, contemporary, really pretty like lantern style chandelier. And then when I turn it on, I do have the daylight bulbs in there so that it's a nice bright white color. Oh my gosh, guys, I do just want to quickly show you this amazing package I got from Velvet Caviar. They sent me these beautiful phone cases. I already put one on my phone. I love it. It's like a marble. It's marble, obviously, with a shimmery silver to it. So here's a sneak peek of my new countertop in my kitchen. But they also sent me this. It's like rose gold. This is more of like a pinkish purpley, and then black. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then also there's like these phone grips and stands that you can add to the back. I haven't done that yet. I'm not sure if I will. I think I do. I want to. It would match that perfectly. But they also did include a discount code for you guys if you want to order. It's just Shea 10, and you would save 10% on your order. So that's very exciting. So we are completely redoing our kitchen. It's being completely remodeled. I'll do a different video on that probably. It's kind of a mess right now, but I do want to take you outside really quickly just to show you some of our backyard. I've already shown the backyard a little bit, but let's just go out onto the deck so you can kind of see the view. So when we come out here, here's the deck. And then look at this beautiful view. This is all of our land. Here is, oh, Josh has the car parked down there. So here's the patio I showed you before. We have the main garage up there, and then the driveway does also come down here, and we have a huge patio. There's a third stall garage down there, so Josh can put like the lawnmower, another vehicle if we want. It's actually double, so you can pull the car the whole way through and still have room at the front as well. So that's really, really nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you up into my dressing room, which is basically gonna be my walk-in closet, some filming areas. It's going to be like a desk area where I can sit on my laptop and do some editing or do some work. It's also going to be like my vanity area where I would sit and do my makeup. So it is a pretty large room, so I do want to show you, but just keep in mind it is completely a disaster. It's not organized in any way. It just has things thrown everywhere. I know I need to stop prefacing. I just be prepared for like not greatness. But one thing that we did do is we did put a lock on it because I do have my designer handbags up there and we have workers coming in and out or whatever. I just want this to be completely secure. So I did get this idea from Lux Mommy. I think she has that on her closet as well, and I just thought it was an amazing idea. So I do just enter a code and then I can go upstairs. And it also keeps the kids out, it keeps the cat out. Alrighty, so then you just go up the stairs here, flip on the light, and my area is up here, which this used to be a little girl's room, so we need to take care of this pink because it's okay, yeah, not really loving it. Alrighty, so this is the room. The ceiling fans need to go. This used to be completely pink, which I think I did film a little bit of what it used to look like, so maybe I'll insert some footage there of the pink walls, but we did paint it that gray color. I have this terrible carpet here from my old filming room, and that's purely to kind of muffle my voice from bouncing off the walls. So I definitely am going to be getting a brand new, really nice rug here, and then this is going to be completely customized here with a dressing room, desk area, just everything to be, you know, really, really nice. I'm very excited about it. And like I mentioned earlier in my intro, this is very similar to Lydia's new closet, which I did not plan on. It just kind of worked out that this up here was going to be my area. So there's some filming lights, my microphone, I've got this camera here, I've got like my Gucci and Louis Vuitton like random bags here, I've got shoes. Here is a full closet, which is nice, but I'm going to have this whole thing be my closet. Here's like a desk for right now, just some clothes over here. Like I mentioned, it's not organized in the least bit, but that's okay. I'm just so thankful and excited that I am finally gonna have my own area to be creative, film videos, organize my stuff, just have a place for everything. I feel like in my old house, we really didn't have space for everything that we needed to do. Now Josh has his own office. Before we were actually cramped. Our office was actually the guest room, so if Josh's mom was spending the night to watch the boys the next day, Josh couldn't be in his office. It was just very cramped, and I mean, that was okay. We made it work for many years. We were in that house for 9 years, but I'm just so thankful and excited that we kind of get to make this our forever home and really make it exactly what we want.
Does that feel good?
I also just want to show you my Sunday outfit of the day. I've actually just been wearing this crop top like tie shirt. It's from Nordstrom. I wore this pretty much all summer. I don't know what it is, but I just love how basic it is and how it looks so good just paired with a pair of high-waisted jeans. I've been also wearing these a lot. They're just my Reformation jeans from Nordstrom. I'll try and link both things. I don't know if they're still available or not. But I also unboxed this Gucci bag yesterday on my channel. I don't know if you saw, but I am seriously obsessed with this bag. I feel like it screams my name like crazy. I just love it so much. This is the small size. In the video, I said it was the medium, and several people mentioned, and they were kind of confused because there's a large size, and this is the smaller. So it is the small. I'll link it the brand new version from Gucci, but then I'll also try and find it pre-loved because I did actually get this pre-loved from Fashion File, so I did save a decent amount of money on it. And then I also unboxed this Senrev Maestro bag. It's in the mini size and it's in the chestnut color. I feel like this particular color would go so perfectly with just a very basic outfit, kind of like what I'm wearing today. In the video I was wearing pink and I didn't really love the combination together, but I feel like this looks much better, just kind of with like basic neutrals. And my shirt is way too high. Normally I don't have it like that. There we go. That's better. That's usually how it looks, just like this. And then I love how you can turn it into like a backpack. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? It's like, it's so cool. It's like you can wear it 4 ways. Right now I actually just have my bags all like displayed terribly. I just have them literally just pushed into that shelf right there. I actually have more bags at my parents' house. I took them there for the time being. I've got something over here. Right now I'm just gonna slide this right in there. I really need to organize everything better. Got my Pochette Matisse right there. I've got some bags in my Keepall, my Louis Vuitton Keepall up there. But for right now, we're just going to kind of clean up this area. I plan on filming a video like right there tomorrow. I'm gonna use this closet as my backdrop, and I need to figure out how to get all of the lighting and this area cleaned up. So let's just do a little time lapse and we'll see what happens.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Alright, so that's pretty much my setup for right now. I cleared out the area, and this is just such a terrible, oh my gosh, it's a terrible, like, seashell beach carpet, but it's fine for the time being. I can't wait to get, like, a really plush, like, really nice, stylized carpet, but for now, we're doing that, because look at the actual floor is a really pretty gray color. Hi, Haze Bear. What are you doing? Are you looking for the kitty? Are you looking for the kitty? The kitty's not there. I saw her. Wait, is she there? Yeah. Oh, she is. Oh, they love each other. Do you see the kitty? Yeah. Where is she? Oh, there's the kitty. There's the kitty.
Mom, it's like the hideout.
It's like a hideout. What are you doing? Whoa. Look, I'm setting up my area for filming. Hayes is looking for the cat.
She found him.
Yep.
Her.
What do you got? Transformers?
Yeah.
Which one's that?
Heat wave.
Ooh.
Mom, what
All right, show them what this does. It's like this cool thing that goes on your arm. Woo! And it goes back and forth. Hey, it's the Steeler game. The Steeler game's on. We should turn the TV on. Woo! Go Steelers! Pittsburgh's where it's at. We love watching Steeler games on Sundays. Boo, we're losing. We gotta pick it up. Come on, Ben. Ben Roethlisberger. Well, I think we lost. There's 12 seconds left in the game and we're down by 5 points. I know, if we just would have got one more touchdown. But more importantly, we're playing a good game of hockey, huh? Ooh. Go Penguins! Can't wait for hockey season.